You operate at extraordinary scale. I mean, probably scale that many of us can't even dream of. The joy of A/B testing, does it even exist? Because one mistake impacts 500 million users at one go, right?
When speed meets scale, Walmart stands out. I think experimentation is absolutely on. I'll walk you through an example how we have done this together. Walmart has massive number of assets in terms of physical assets. One of the huge thing is supply chain network. So we were actually started on a journey to convert this into a cloud native management system. We built the first capability, and then we took the software. We got a couple of lanes to test within one of our consolidation centers. We went there, we tried to put the software. It did not work. And I'll give you an example. What do you think is sometimes writing software is like a bunch of lines of code? If you don't know the form factor and usability, it just breaks. It doesn't matter if it's a customer or an associate. Like for instance, if you take an item, you're receiving an item, when you scan it, it has to be a sub-microsecond. You can't add too much latency. But imagine this whole operation is actually going over the wire, looking at a cloud asset, telling and saying that, oh, you're actually trying to receive a shoe or a shampoo. It's going to take a lot of time because of the network latency. But with the new systems, you can't do more than 10 to 15. What we did was that we actually got a professional videographer. We took every single operation recorded and we measured each time. We made that as this proof point, and we started to break down each of the modular problems and said, let's solve receiving, let's solve scan, let's solve atomic operation. So we started to actually build that kind of a core capabilities and brought all together. It's been a fabulous journey. Today, fast forward all of that, I would say 80% of the US network is actually running with a cloud native risk management system. That's conceived and we built in joint partnership with our both US and India team.